Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Baik ba ki baju pet ya khubor limbau Antor News. Hadin balakut ka jing thap vote ki bor penya jong katnat election limba ki polling station ba pher ha ka jing pet jong ki polling officer ki lalum lalang ya ki tiar kitar ki jong ki EVM machine. Bat bala song bah khom bat lasil bha omdon manu bala ban pliet ya ki tat hadu kasni jong ka jing nyobon kata ka banlong ha ka southering ka jong u banai jliu ya kini ki EVM machine bala song bha labu kerpang ha ka jaka bala penkre da ka election commission jengkari India haringkat ka jingdon ki pulit pahra bat da ka jing yarap ka jong ki lala ban pen urlong ya kini ka jingtmu kini ki machine EVM baro lawan ram na baro ki polling station da ki kali motor bat ki nongtrei kami katnat shu ha ko wi pat kalyang la yo I baki EVM machine kat ba kidang poi la yo I ya ki polling officer ki sector officer klia bun kam ban pendem ya ki kam ki jongki ban lum ban lang bat ban wan ra ru ha gani ka jaka ka bala penkre da katnat jong ka election bat kum juru menta ngin phai pat khindiat ki kam kila dep lut to menta ngin pe khindiat ya ki khubo. Good job Carmel.
वो निकल जाएगा
main hall so as not to disrupt the movement of the polling personnel who have just arrived. Follow to the job untuk melihat nampak ada di seluruh tempat sekolah.
Hai kawan.
Six are to be deposited in the counter at the entrance, and the voting performance are to be deposited in the canopy area located at the parking lot.
You only taught me that you should keep it in packet.
Oh,
That's what the systematic.
Your experience or not? You know how he is. Yeah, and the way he works.